Yeah, g'day guys. I'm just going through a free alternative that you guys can use instead of ClickFunnels. Um, excuse me. So you'll be able to utilize this free funnel builder, and you'll be able to replicate the funnels that if you wanted to in GrooveFunnels from ClickFunnels. So what I recommend you do is that you just get a free 14-day trial with ClickFunnels and get the web pages, and then that way you'll be able to copy them and go through and implementing the GrooveFunnels. Now, GrooveFunnels is free. It's not as advanced as ClickFunnels, but it will do the job for you going forward. So you just go here, get started. They don't ask you for any credit card information. Just enter your details and start and get free access today. And you'll be able to build sites like these, guys. So it is a pretty good funnel builder for actually you get for no cost. So jump on, have a look around. Now I'm just going to log in and give you a bit of an example, give you a bit of a tour of it. So just log in. So I became a paid member because it's got a ton of features that they're currently building out, and I'm jumping in there right now in order to, take advantage of it. So they do have upgrades if you want to jump onto the paid program. It is, I think they have a lifetime one right now, so you make one lifetime payment and you've got access. No monthly fees, no nothing. So there is that upgrade. You can just check that out here. So what you want to do is you just want to go to Groove Pages. Well, actually, you want to go to integrations, guys. Go to integrations first because you want to integrate your autoresponder. See, I've done that here. So you just want to go add, and you want to go integration type, and you want to go Aweber, and then you want to go, and then what they'll do is that you'll want to just put a Groove, and you want to click here to authorize the Aweber account. So they'll take you over to Aweber. And then as you can see, it allows you access. So you just click, it'll give you a password, username, click to allow access, and you'll get redirected back here. You'll get an email notification from Aweber saying that you're integrated. You go back to My Integrations, and there it is. Now you can do the same for Get Response as well, guys. So you just go Add again, Integration Type, and then you go down to Get Response, Integration again, Groove, API key. You want to jump over here. So you just, when you get into, you want to click up here on the 9 dots for when you log into your Get Response account and go to integrations and API. Then you want to scroll over to API, copy, go back here, where was I? Here, update. So it populated there for me again. So now I've got 2 integrations. So then what you want to do is that you want to start going over. Now these guys have got some great little templates you can use to start out on, and you'll be able to grab your link and go from there. So for example, you want to go to Groove Pages, and you want to go to New Site and go to Templates. Now these guys give you a ton of templates, guys. Have a look at that. So you'll be able to jump in there, have a look around, use what you want to use. Remember, guys, what you get for free is pretty stellar, right? So you jump in there, and we're just going to select the one that I had here before because it's easy to use. So just a lead generation opt-in. And then you want to just say, for example, you're in the funnel builder here, guys, and I'm just going to flesh it out what you get. See, they already have, like, for example, your lead and stuff there. And then they've got the submit button here. And then you can configure submit there. You want to update that. Design. And whatnot. So, and then you'll be able to get in here. Go here. And then you go down here, and then you see, guys, they've got like forms already made up for you. So they've got the Aweber integrations, they've got the Get Response integrations, so you just drop them in. So it makes it really easy. What else we got here? So they've even got countdown timers, progress bars, like, you know, you get a fair bit here for nothing. So, solar button, text links. Alright. So guys, yeah, no, GrooveFunnels is definitely a good one. You'll be able to jump in there, have a look around, and you'll be able to have a good look around, and you'll be able to see what you can do here. So it's a pretty good system to work with, and I fully recommend you'll be able to jump in, have a good go, and you'll be able to get going pretty quickly. So, alright guys, see form, submit, you can configure, and then you got all the site settings, my integrations and whatnot. So guys, yeah, definitely jump in and have a look, and we look forward to you guys taking advantage of GrooveFunnels. Cheers.